Everyone, welcome to our biology classes. Today we were kicking off with a diversity of plant life. I would love for you to stick around the whole video. If you find it helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Let's do it. प्लांट डाइवर्सिटी टैक्सिस मीन्स होता है अरेंजमेंट, नॉर्म्स मीन्स लॉ, टैक्सोनॉमी इज द स्टडी ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स and procedures of classification. This word was proposed by A.P. de Candolle in his book Theories of Elementary de la Botany, means theory of elementary botany. Taxonomy includes study of 4 points. First one is identification of living organisms. Second is nomenclature of living organisms. Third is classification of living organism in groups. Fourth is affinities, study of interrelationship between living organisms. Systematics branch related with taxonomy means classical taxonomies. The term systematics was proposed by Linnaeus. Systematics is the study of diversity of organisms and all their comparative and evolutionary relationships. It includes description of external morphological character of plants or living organisms, morphological character of roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Neosystematics or biosystematics, it is also known as modern taxonomies. Neosystematics term was given by Julian Huxley 1940. It includes it includes description of all the characters internal, including morphological characters internal of plants or living organisms. It is used to know the interrelationships among the living organisms. Note, systematics is mainly based on evolutionary as well as genetic relationships. Experimental taxonomy as compared to morphological characters, some informations, maximum diversity is found in tropical rainforest. Second maximum diversity is found in coral reef, rock of calcium carbonate. Third, practical significance of taxonomy is identification of unknown organism. Nomenclature. First, polynomial system. According to this system, name of any plants consists of many words. Example, Caryophyllum saxatilis, Volis, Gramineas, Umbellites, Coriambees. Binomial system. Binomial system was first proposed by Gaspard Bauhin in his book Pinax Theater Botanica. Carolus Linnaeus used this nomenclature system for the first time on large scale and proposed a scientific name of all the plants and animals. Linnaeus is the founder of a binomial system. Linnaeus proposed a scientific name of plants in his book Species Plantarum. It was published on 1st May 1753. So this was the initiation of binomial system for plants. So any name proposed for plants before this date is not accepted today. Linnaeus proposed a scientific name of animals in his book Systema Nature in 10th edition. This 10th edition of Systema Nature was published on 1st August 1758. So initiation of binomial system for animals is believed to be started on 1st August 1758. Principle of priority. The nomenclature is done by principle of priority. It two names are proposed for plant after the 1753. The valid name is earlier name proposed just after 1 May 1753. ICBN. The full form of ICBN is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. This book is also known as Rules of Nomenclature. It contains collection of rules regarding scientific nomenclature of plants is known as ICBN. ICBN was firstly proposed by Sprague, Hitchcock, Green, 1930. ICBN was first accepted in 1961. 12th International Congress Leningrad revised ICBN in 1975. After revision, it was published in 1978, so that ICBN was published two times. First time is 1961, second time is 1978. Main rules of ICBN. According to binomial system, name of any species consists of two names. First is generic name, name of genus. Second is a specific epithet, tribal name. Example: Solanum tuberosum, potato; Mangifera indica, mango. In this Solanum tuberosum, first name is generic name and second name is specific name. In plants nomenclature ICBN, tetronyms are not valid. That is, generic name and specific name should not be same in plants. Mangifera, it is not a valid name, but tetronyms are valid in animals nomenclature. ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Example: Naja Naja, India cobra; Rattus Rattus, rat. Third, length of generic name or specific name should not be less than 3 letters and not more than 12 letters. Mangifera indica. Exception: Rixia pathancotensis, more than 12 letters. According to ICBN, this name is not valid, but this name was proposed of before 1961, so it is valid. First letter of generic name should be in capital letter and first letter of specific name should be in small letters. Example: Mangifera indica. But if specific name is based on the name of some person, its first letter should be in capital letters. Isolates panting. Fifth, when written with freehand or typed, then generic name and specific name should be separately underlined, but during printing name should be italicized. Name of scientist who proposed nomenclature should be written in short after the specific name. Mangifera indica, Lin. Next, name of scientist should be neither underlined nor written in italics, but written in Roman letters, simple letters. If scientist has proposed wrong name, then his name should be written in brackets and the scientist who corrected the name should be written after the bracket. Example: Suga canadensis, Lin. इसको करेक्ट किया सेलिस बेरी ने. Linnaeus named this plant as Pinus canadensis. Scientific name should be derived from Latin or Greek language because they are dead language. Herbarium sheet of newly discovered plant should be placed in herbarium dry garden. 11 number. Standard size of herbarium sheet is 11.5 into 16.5 inches. Type specimen. Herbarium sheet are of different types. Holotype, herbarium sheet on which first description of plant is based. Second, lectotype. In case of holotype is lost, second herbarium sheet prepared from original plant is called lectotype. Third, neotype. In case of holotype, an original plant is lost, then herbarium seeds are prepared from the other plant of same species called neotype. Syntype. In case of holotype, an original plant is lost, then many herbarium seeds are prepared from many plants of same species is called syntype. Isotype, duplicate of holotype. In presence of holotype, a second herbarium seed prepared from the original plant is called isotype. Next, paratype. Additional herbarium seed used in the first description of a plant is called paratype. It is prepared from some other plant of same species having some variations. Note, nomenclature is invalid in absence of a herbarium seed. ICBN, the full form of ICBN is International Code. ICBN, the full form of ICBN is International Code of Nomenclature for Bacteria. ICVN, International Code of Viral Nomenclature. The full form of ICNCP, International Code of Nomenclature for Cultivated Plants. Trinomial system. Trinomial system was proposed by Huxley and Strickland. According to this system, name of any plant or species is composed of three names. First name, generic name, second name, specific name, third name, sub-specific name, name of variety. Second, when members of any species have large variation, then trinomial system is used. On the basis of these similarities, this species is classified into subspecies. Example, Brassica oleracea, variety Botrytis cauliflower. Brassia oleracea, variety Capitata, cabbage. Brassia oleracea, variety Calorapa, cannoli. Thank you.